how to test and check the SIM card health status on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, tap on the Samsung folder. And from here, tap on members. Now in Samsung members, we want to go down and tap on Diagnostics. After that, tap on Phone Diagnostics. Then scroll down and tap on SIM. Next, tap on the test button or test again button. The phone should go ahead and test your SIM card. If it is working correctly, it should show a normal status. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.